Good morning, friends. Today we are going to analyze SPY chart on 12th August 2025, which is mentioned here. Yeah, it's 12th August. If you can see the date on the bottom left corner is the 12th August. Now, if you see, there are two moving averages. Red color is 200-day moving average, and the blue color is 20-period moving average. Okay, so as per our strategy, we have to, if the market is trading above the both moving averages, we need to buy the market. And basically we are in a bullish market, so we will try to buy the market whenever market comes close to 20 moving average. If the market stays between the two moving averages, we won't take trade, because that is our no trade zone. If the market is trades below 20 and 200, we are going to short the market, and we have basically bearish on the market. So in this case, on 12th August, when the first candle opens, it opens above both the moving averages here. You can see, hold on. Yeah, so it opens above both the moving averages, and we are bullish in the market. So first trade, on the closure of the first trade, we can take a one buy position, and unfortunately the market turns back and closes below the first candle, and we take our first stop loss. So if you can see, we have mentioned it here. On a trade 1, we took -1 risk to reward ratio. Basically we have lost 1 hour. After this, market consolidates for some more time, and here on this candle number 7, this is candle number 7, it touches the 20 moving average right here, and it's a bullish candle, but it has not taken the high of the previous candle number 6. This 6 high, candle number 6 highs is not been crossed, so we will not take the position on 7th candle. But on the 8th candle, the market has crossed the high of the 6th candle, and we can take a bullish trade on the close of the 8th candle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, correct. 8th candle we will take a buy position. And when we will exit, so exit is most important in this situation. See, when we entered the market on 8th candle, there are continuously 4 green candles after that, so we don't have to exit on those candles. If this candle, you see, first red candle after we enter the position is a bearish candle, we can exit here, but the amount of movement from our entry is very small. If you see, if you compare with the our stop loss is here, so our risk unit is this much, but in profit it has moved a very little. So basically we don't want to close the position and continue holding till either our stop is hits or our target or our exit criteria surfaces. So we will exit on the next. If you see, this is a second red candle after we entered the position, and but that is a very weak candle. It is not at all bearish candle. It is a doji, and we exit on the second red candle after we enter the position. This is a spot we will enter on the close of this 5-minute candle. if you put the risk reward tool and measure the risk reward ratio for this trade, it comes to 3.27 R. So our reward is 3.27 versus our risk 1 R. So second trade is in positive territory and we gain 3.27 R. So net we are in 2.27 R plus for the day. After some time, the market, now we are again waiting for the market to come close to our 20 period moving average on a 5-minute time frame. So if you see the third trade, market is continuously going above the 20 moving average but is not coming back. There is no retracement till this candle. If you see this candle, I will mark it again. I will zoom in little bit so that it's more visible. Yeah. If you see, this candle is very close to 20 period moving average, and the next candle breaks the high of this red candle. So basically we will enter on this close of this candle, and if we see, the market has been going up. After that, there are few small red candles in between, but this is not immaterial, not a very significant candle. This candle, if you see this candle, we can exit on this. Why we can exit on this? Even though there is no significant move on the upside, the market has been open for such a long time, and generally as the market comes close to the closing hour, it becomes more of a sideways movement. So unless there is a momentum, we don't want to continue to be in the trade. So we try to exit on this candle for two reasons. One, it is a bearish red candle. Secondly, it is bit away from the 20 period moving average, and it can always come back and touch it, which actually happened after 2-3 candles after that. Okay, so we exit on this candle and we earned, say, a nominal reward of 0.67 risk unit. Okay, so we made 3 trades till today, and we are net positive for the day. Now let's go to our last trade. We got this trade on this candle. If you see this candle, this red candle is come close to 20 period moving average, and since it is very close to 20, we took a trade on this green candle, and basically it is gone. There was no, after this market went into sideways movement, and there is a on this big bear red candle, we can close our position. It has closed below our 20 period moving average, and it's a strong bearish candle, but I have mentioned it negative 1 RR, but actually it is a 0 because it has stayed in the positive territory from the place we entered. So I think I need to change this. We have not lost 1 hour here. It is basically cost to cost. I will have to edit this in our tracker. So that's all for all the trades, 4 trades we did. And if you see the tracker for the day of, we will open the tracker now. On the 12th August, if you see, we have mentioned first trade we lost. This is the 12th August table. We can see on the chart itself. Sorry, we can see on the website itself. You go to means2money.com and means2money.com and on it, yeah, means2money.com. You go to the second page, which is called SPY analysis. If you see, the 12th August chart has been updated. Yeah, 12th is updated here. 12th chart is updated, and if you go down, you can see our table where we write our tracking. We'll track all our trades. So on 12th August, we made 4 trades. One is -1, 3.27, 0.67, and the fourth one I have mentioned -1, but I need to correct it. It's a 0. So hold on, I'll change it. Live. Okay. This is 0. So net on this day we earned around 2.94 reward. Okay, that's it for today, friends, and take care. Happy trading. Best of luck. Thank you.